If you want to mix custom audio, the first thing you're going to do is go to YouTube or whatever and find what it is that you want to mix. For me, I knew I wanted to use the Curb the Enthusiasm theme because I think it's funny. And you're going to go to your control panel here and hit screen record. If you don't have the screen record option, there you'll have to go into your settings in general, and I think you can add it from there. The red in the top left corner shows you that it is actively recording. Once you get the clip that you want, you can stop the screen recording. Then that's going to be saved in my camera roll. InShot, the InShot app. Hit the plus sign and then hit video. Then I'm going to pull up the screen recording here. The first thing I'm going to do is get this video trimmed down how I want it. That's where we want it. So we're going to go over here to split, tap the split button, and then take this whole section and we're going to delete it. So now it should start right where we want it. Here we go. So let's say that's the end of where we want. So we're going to go back over here to the split option and delete. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take this clip. So you're going to tap on it and tap music, tap on it again, and hit extract audio. So what that does is that pulls the audio away from the video. Hit the check mark. And if you try to just delete the video here, what's going to happen? It's going to take the audio with it. So you can't do it that way. So let me go back. What you have to do instead is go over here, hit the music button again. And you've got to actually tap on this music and drag it over like that. And then you can hit play and you'll see how it lines up. So then if I wanted to like take out this portion of the video where it didn't line up, then all I would have to do is hit the check mark here and I'd have to split my clip right here and I could just take out this little chunk here. So I did the same exact thing for the Enya clip. Now I can actually go over here and delete this video portion. Oops, no, it took away. If it does that, this is typically why. If it ever deletes the audio with the video, it's because the audio is overlaid with the video just the slightest bit. So you have to tap on it and pull it over. And if you do that, then you should be able to go over here and delete the video. See? Yep, now it's saved.